another brand new episode of Simple Yet Gorgeous. And as per promise, this video is gonna be a very special video because I am going to shoot my entire week, which is gonna be very exciting. Like रोज का बोर घर में बैठे रहना, सिंपल एंड मोनोटोनस रूटीन से बहुत बाहर होने वाला है. सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट, लेट्स व्लॉग इट. फॉर अ ब्रीफ, फर्स्ट वी हैव Monday where it was just raining so bad that it ruined all my plans. I had so many plans in mind, but कुछ नहीं कर पाए, घर में बैठे रहना पड़ा. But there's a twist at the end of the day, so उसके लिए तो you have to stay tuned. See, outside is such a beautiful weather, but मेरे को थोड़ा irritating भी लग रहा है because I really had so many plans lined up, but अभी कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Entire day शायद ये बारिश होने वाला है. I'm hoping कि दोपहर तक बंद हो जाए but outside देखो एकदम कितना beautiful weather है. Finally, something good happened this day. Oh my god, what is this? I don't really have any idea कि इसमें क्या हो सकता है. Suddenly, Papa came and kept this box in my room, and now I am going to unbox it. Oh my god, this is so big. इसमें क्या हो सकता है? Oh my god, I am just speechless. Oh my god, I was planning this for so many days. I was planning this since such a long time. My god, I am really very excited. I don't have any words. This is actually a jewelry case which I was planning. In the hooks मेरे को सारा अपना earrings and कुछ neck pieces जो regular wear के है उसको hang करना था, and the side slabs. Oh my god, I am so happy. I can't express. Oh my god. And now for Tuesday, we have a very fun launch ride because I went out for some work, but बहुत बारिश हुआ that day as well. But the most exciting part is जब हम लोग बाहर थे, lunch पे थे, it was such a beautiful view. I shot it and I have clips for that. Stay tuned with us and देखते हैं कि कैसे हम लोग उसको बहुत enjoy किए. Just see with us. Good morning. It's a new day. I hope you all are doing well. And हम लोग थोड़ा काम के लिए बाहर आए हैं. But see the view. I couldn't stop myself from vlogging this. Just see out. Wednesday again, I had my favorite day because I went for shopping. And if you guys wanna know what I shop, comment down below so that I can bring a haul for it. सोची थी सिर्फ एक टॉप लेने का, but I ended up, oh my god, if you wanna see the haul, just comment down below. This is my favorite part. अभी मैं अच्छे से पूरा मॉल अभी घूमेंगे. Just you come and enjoy with us. Thursday, I have BTS for you guys. How I shoot, क्या होता है, all that crazy moments are shorted for you guys. So stay tuned until the end. And now, without delaying you much more with this boring long intro, let's get started. How a filming day in my life actually looks. All messed up room. पूरा दिन makeup and entire room messed up, and my best friend during the filming days. And यही होता है रोज का अपना, जब एक फिल्मिंग डे खत्म होता है, you come back with lots of makeup. अभी रिमूव करना है, ड्रेस चेंज करना है, lots of green tea. इसके बिना तो मेरा चलेगा ही नहीं. I feel so sleepy. Today it's Friday and ऐसे ही घर में थे पूरा दिन because of certain works जो रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाए. We were working on some project, but अभी we are finally free and it's night almost 10, so it's looking so beautiful. See the roads. तो भाई and मैं हम लोग just थोड़ा बाइक राइड के लिए निकले हैं. It's looking beautiful. So today I thought to vlog the Friendship Day because ऐसे ही मेरे को सुबह उठ के मन किया and we have a little bit of plan for the day. So I thought क्यों ना vlog किया जाए so that you can be a part of my celebration. So without much delay, let's begin. And this is going to be the first half of the day. So let's see क्या होता है. Be with us. बहुत सारे गेम्स खेलने वाले हैं, बहुत कुछ करने वाले हैं. जस्ट सी सब कोई अभी आ गए हैं. तो लेट्स सी हम लोग क्या करते हैं. बनाना प्रोसेस बनाना एक ही साइज का प्रोसेस बनाना. पॉज बनाना, एलिमेंट बनाना, वेज बनाना, ये बनाना, न्यूट्रन बनाना, स्लाइस बनाना, यूरेनियम बनाना, एट बनाना, डिसइंटीग्रेट्स बनाना, इनटू बनाना, ट्रिप्टन बनाना, बेरियम बनाना, बनाना, क्यू बनाना, बस बनाना. बोले बना दिया वो. कहो ना प्यार है. कभी नहीं Okay, so now I am a bit tired, so मैं थोड़ा सा rest ले रही हूँ. But then we are going to have the second part of the day and बहुत सारे friends वापस से friends आने वाले हैं and let's see हम लोग क्या करते हैं इस second part में. Be with us to enjoy the journey. And now we are going to enjoy a small little cute bike ride. हम लोग though we were enjoying the entire day, but हम लोग सब घर में ही थे, so we decided to go out for a while and here's the bike ride. And now we are going to have a movie night. Like हम लोग का बहुत टाइम से ये प्लान था and finally we are going to have a movie night. अभी तो बहुत अच्छा सा मूवी भी चल रहा है, so we are going to watch Mimi. Now we are going to cut the cake for the day and we had no plans from ahead, but we got this such a cute little friendship day cake. So with this, we end the vlog over here for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed it and if you liked it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And then don't forget to hit the bell button so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notified. So bye-bye for now. Until we meet next, take care of yourselves, stay vaccinated and see you soon.